Hello everyone. So today we're here visiting the Grand Palladium complex of resorts here in Punta Cana. We're going to do a site visit today and see what their offerings are. So we're going to start here at the Grand Palladium Punta Cana Resort and Spa, and then we'll visit some of their other resorts here on the property like the TRS Turquesa and other offerings. So we'll start here in the lobby of the Grand Palladium Punta Cana. So here we are in the main lobby of the Punta Cana. Nice spacious lobby. So here we have the baby club, the mini club, and it's open from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. every day. The babysitting is $15 per hour for the babysitting services. And you have a kids play area. Go ahead.
I'm coming to be your assistant.
And so here you have the poolside cabana beds. You have to reserve those one day before. And here, beside this pool, you have El Dorado restaurant, which is a steakhouse, and Portofino, which is an Italian restaurant.
Now we're going to see my favorite part of the trip.
And then you also have a bar here.
I think might be raining. It's supposed to be half hour so.
And here on the right, you have their dive center.
This is La Uva Snack. This bar is open to the 10 o'clock to 5 p.m.
And then here, straight ahead, you have a snack bar, which is open from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. And one thing to note as far as room service, on the Palace side and the Punta Cana side, the room service is not a part of the all-inclusive. It is $18 for the room service. In the TRS Turquesa, it is included, and it is 24 hours a day for that room service on all of the resorts. But it's just an $18 fee for Palace and Punta Cana. So just keep that in mind. Please remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm and helps the video get spread further so that we reach more viewers. So please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So now we're here at the Sports Center where you have a variety of sports. So we have ping pong here. Here you have the soccer field. Here you have 2 basketball courts. And you also have tennis, pickleball, volleyball. So lots of activities. If you want to come out and enjoy some sporting, they're all here available for you. Also have mini golf. And here you have a group that they came, booked their pickleball tournament here. Had a group of over 400 participants. And this is common here at the Grand Palladium complex where they run their pickleball tournaments here. They do have a beautiful setup. And then here you have archery.
That game is almost over. Let's see. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver. Figolido.
Vamos, que yo aposté $20,000 a ti.
Horrible. Oh, fatal eso. Very bad. Very, very bad.
Amarillo.
And now we're on the palace side of the complex. Here we have the gym on the palace side. And here we have the spa. If you've watched this far, please remember, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We definitely appreciate the support. Thank you. Now we're here at the TRS Turquesa lobby. So now we'll view this side of the property. And here on the TRS side, they do offer butler service, which is 2 butlers for each building. And that service is 24 hours a day. And this is the exclusive zone for the premium experience. Here we have Helios Restaurant. It's VIP service, so you have availability for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And this is poolside and beachside.
This is the bar we have too. This is the one that I told you. Exactly. You have two options. Like if you want inside or outside. The food, let me show you what is part of the food. You have two options. Yeah. You have grill and this part for the bread. Okay, now is the moment for a while you so here to do something very nice.
Okay, so here we are in the TRS Turquesa swim up room. Have a jacuzzi tub, king bed,
Let me show you let me open that balcony on the other side this moment.
and the best feature, the swim up part.
Let me tell you, I was in that hotel when I was in the group. I remember we was
Okay, and here on the Palace Resort side, we have a loft family suite. Have a jacuzzi tub here. And there's your bathroom. And then you have your king bed, and then you do have the option to have this be double beds where you get two queens. In this particular room, you do have a garden view and a view out to the ocean. And then we have the loft portion of the room. So you do have a pull-out couch here, your own television, and then your own bathroom. Here we have the Poseidon Buffet.
Así me ayuda, no hay problema.
Oh, pero gracias, mi vida. Bueno, pruebe una.
Thank you very much for watching until the end. We definitely appreciate that support. Hopefully during the video you did give it a thumbs up to get that like. And if you haven't already, again, just want to remind you, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be in tune for future content. Definitely appreciate the support. Thank you very much.